Hello, we have the continued discussion of subordinate conjunctions or results. Today we have so that or such that. محاضرة اليوم عن شنو؟ عن أدوات الربط الخاصة بالنتيجة. عندنا أول أداة اللي هي so that وثاني أداة اللي هي such that. When the conjunctions so that or such that are used, the word that introduces the result. عندنا كلمة that نستخدمها على مود شنو؟ على مود تقدم لنا بعدها النتيجة. تمام؟ Okay. We have two examples here. عندنا مثالين هنا. California is so beautiful that I can't imagine staying in Boston. Okay. California is such a beautiful state that I can't imagine staying in Boston. Okay, we have here California is so plus adjective plus that. Then we have the result after that. But between so and that we have the adjective. California is such a beautiful state that I can't imagine staying in Boston. إذا بالجملة الأولى عندنا so والذات وبعدها الجملة اللي تعبر عن النتيجة. الجملة الثانية عندنا استخدام الsuch. طبعا so يأتي بعدها صفة or adverb أو أحيانا كلمات اللي تخص الموديفاير يسموها المعدود أو غير المعدود مثلا few, many, much, little. أوكي. بينما الsuch نستخدمها دائما ويا الادفيرب. sorry, I'm very sorry. ويا الصفة والموصوف مثل ما عندنا احنا باللغة العربية مثلا the adjective and the noun. تمام؟ Okay, as we have here in this example, I'm going to explain their patterns in details. The first pattern or the first pattern, okay, so plus adjective plus that. It was so hot that we couldn't sleep. Okay, so we have and hot. Okay, that we couldn't sleep. It's what it is the result. Because it is hot, we couldn't sleep. So plus adverb plus that. أول شيء ويا الصفة إجتي، ثاني شيء ويا الadverb. مثلا the air conditioner was humming so loudly that I couldn't sleep. Not so loudly. Sorry. So plus what? Plus adverb. Okay. We have so plus many plus plural noun plus that. There were so many students in the small room that I couldn't breathe. Okay. So plus many plus what? Noun in a plural form. So plus few plus plural noun plus that. There were so few windows that the air circulation was poor. Okay, so plus a few and windows, as you see here in this example. So plus much plus uncountable noun plus that. Even in many with few with countable nouns, whereas much and little with uncountable nouns. There was so much noise that I couldn't hear the professor. Okay, so noise is uncountable noun. There was so little time to finish the exam that I gave up. Sorry. There was so little time. Then time is uncountable noun. Then we have the patterns that are used with such. Okay. The first pattern is such plus a or an plus adjective plus noun plus that. إذا أول نمط عندنا such وياها ال a or an. طبعا ال a with the word that starts with a consonant sound, whereas ال an with the word that starts with the vowel sound. Okay. كلمة اللي تبدي بحرف علة نستخدم وياها الآن، والكلمة اللي تبدي بحرف صحيح نستخدم وياها الآن A sorry A plus adjective plus noun. He has such a loud grade that he hid his exam paper. إذن because he had what? A lower grade, he hid his exam paper. Okay, such plus adjective plus uncountable noun plus that. She makes such good coffee that I always have more than one cup. We have here the adjective, okay, good, and the uncountable noun, coffee, okay. So it is used with countable and uncountable nouns. تستخدم ويا الأسماء المعدودة وغير المعدودة. Such plus adjective plus plural noun. تمام؟ طبعا ال countable noun whether it is what? Singular or whether it is plural. تمام؟ She wears such beautiful dresses that everyone always compliments her. Beautiful and dresses. Here beautiful is the adjective and dresses is the plural noun. تمام؟ Okay. We have exercise 9. Combine the sentences. يعني عندنا جملتين. This is the first sentence and this is the second sentence. We need to combine them. يعني نستخدمهم سويا. We can combine them. So we can combine them by using so and that or such and that. The theater was crowded. We couldn't breathe. إذن إذا أقدر أستخدم so, the theater was so crowded that we couldn't breathe. إذا أستخدم هو such لازم عندنا noun. The theater was such a crowded place. ما دام هو مكان فنستخدم وياه place that we couldn't breathe. Let us return to the example because it is written in front of you. The line at the movie theater was long. We had to wait an hour. Even the line at the movie theater was so long. كلمة long is the adjective. Before it we have the modifier so. That we had to wait an hour. The movie theater had. استخدمنا انتبهوا هنا ماكو كلمة had نزلناها واللاين شلناها. The movie theater had such a long line. Line إذن استخدمناها بعد such. That we had to wait an hour. Okay? Okay. Let us have another example. The movie was exciting. We saw it twice. Okay. The movie was, this is the adjective, so exciting. So we saw it twice. What about such? It was such an exciting movie that we saw it twice. إذا استخدمنا it بداية الجملة بعدين الواز مثل ما هي نزلنا such وقبل الexciting استخدمنا أحد الارتكل اللي هي الآن وبعدها استخدمنا كلمة الموفي. It was such an exciting movie that I saw it twice. So please do the rest sentences. Thank you very much and see you next week.